Hello students, myself Jimesh Shah from Knowledge Group Khambat. Okay. In 8th standard, we are already learned chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. That one is Chitrapadani. Chitrapadani 1 and Chitrapadani 2. The sentences are there. The first one is in singular form, second one is in plural form. Now we are continuing with the chapter number 3 in third session. In third session we are continuing with the chapter number 3. The title of this chapter is chapter 3 Atma Shraddhayah Prabhavah. Atma Shraddhayah Prabhavah. Atma Shraddha, that means our self confidence. Okay, if we have the proper self confidence, then we will achieve each and everything. With the self confidence we are achieve each and everything. And what is our goal, what is our aim? For that also we want our self confidence. If our self confidence is become less, then we are lost so many things. Okay, so here there is one small incident from Mahabharata. You know that very well, Mahabharata. The two parts are there. The first one is the Kauravas and another one is Pandavas. Kauravas and Pandavas. When they are smaller one, in childhood, okay, the Kauravas and Pandavas in childhood, on that time, they are going to learn the knowledge. Okay, उनको विद्या सीखनी थी, इसलिए वो जा रहे हैं एक आश्रम में सीखने के लिए. So where they are going? They are going in the ashram of Dronacharya. Kauravas and Pandavas are going to learn to archery and other knowledge with the Guru Dronacharya. Okay. Here also there is one incident. The one name is there in Mahabharata. That one is Eklavya. The Eklavya also want to become a good archer, want to become a skilled archer. Okay, so he is also came in Dronacharya's ashram, but the Dronacharya is not accepted as student, Eklavya. So what he is doing and how he will become a good archer, that story is here. Okay, now we will continue with the story. Here, Eka Balaka Asita, Asita in past form. That's why here Asita. Eka Balaka Asita. Tasya nama Eklavya Asita sa Dhanurvidyam Patitum Ichhati Sma. Eka Balaka Asita. Once there was a boy. Tasya nama Eklavya Asita. His name was Eklavya. Sa Dhanurvidyam Patitum Ichhati Sma. He wished to learn archer. Archer, that means he wished to learn archery. He wished to learn archery. Archery, that means Dhanurvidya. Dhanurvidya, that means Dhanushya Vidya. जिसको हम सबको पता है अर्जुन, जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा होशियार थे, निपुण थे, वो थी धनुष्य विद्या. ओके, सो ही वांट टू बिकम अ गुड आर्चर. दैट्स व्हाई ही विश टू लर्न आर्चरी. बट व्हाट इज द थिंग नेक्स्ट वन? एकदा सः द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्. अवदत् च गुरुदेव, अहम अपि धनुर्धर भवितुम् इच्छामि. I want to become a skilled archer. कृपया मां स्वीकरो. Please accept me. आचार्य प्रत्यवदत्. Teacher replied. The Guru replied him, अहम कौरवान् पांडवान् च पाठयामि. I teach on the Kauravas and Pandavas. एकदा सः द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् अगच्छत् अवदत् च. Once he went to Dronacharya and said, "O teacher, I also wish to become a skilled archer. Kindly accept me." The teacher replied, "I teach Kauravas and Pandavas. अहं भवतः शिष्यरूपेण स्वीकारं कर्तुं न शक्नोमि. अहं भवतः शिष्यरूपेण स्वीकारं कर्तुं न शक्नोमि. I will not accept you as a student. परन्तु आचार्य प्रति तस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. तस्य मीन्स एकलव्यस्य. परंतु आचार्य प्रति तस्य श्रद्धा, आचार्य के प्रति उसकी जो श्रद्धा थी, द फेथफुलनेस टुवर्ड्स हिज गुरु नॉट बिकम लेस. परंतु आचार्य प्रति तस्य एकलव्यस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. But his faith towards his guru cannot become less. शिथिला, that means less. कम हो जाना, शिथिला, कम हो जाना. आचार्य के प्रति उसकी जो श्रद्धा थी, वो श्रद्धा इतनी सी भी कम नहीं होती है. What he is doing? Okay, we will see. When Guru Dronacharya refused to accept Eklavya as student, then the Eklavya's self-confidence all will not become less. Okay, so what he is doing afterwards? Now that one we will see in this paragraph. सः आचार्यस्य द्रोणस्य एकं मूर्तिम् अरचयत्. What he is doing? He made a statue of Guru Dronacharya, Guru Drona. He used to go down to the statue every day. सः प्रतिदिनं मूर्तिम् आनमत्. He used to go down to the statue every day. क्या कर रहा था उसने? क्या किया? He is made one statue of Guru Dronacharya. उसने एक द्रोणाचार्य जो है उनका एक स्टैच्यू बना दिया. दैट मीन्स प्रतिमा, मूर्ति. एक मूर्ति बनाई और उसको हर रोज वो नमन करके अपनी दिनचर्या शुरू करता है. आर्चरी विद्या जो धनुष्य विद्या है वो सीखता रहता है. प्रातः कालात् सायं पर्यन्तं धनुर्विद्यायाः अभ्यासम् अकरोत्. Every day प्रातः कालात् that means from starting to early morning to सायं पर्यंतम. सायं that means in the evening time. सायं पर्यंतम, सांझ सुधी, शाम तक धनुर्विद्यायाः अभ्यासम् अकरोत्. He is learned archery knowledge from morning to evening. He would practice archery from morning to evening. He practiced to archery every day, morning to evening. What he is doing first of all is go down to the statue of Guru Dronacharya. Then from morning to evening he is learn archery knowledge. Then shanai that means slowly. शनै सः कुशल धनुर्धरम् अभवत्. सः कुशल that means skilled, and धनुर्धर that means archer. शनै that means slowly सः कुशल धनुर्धरम् अभवत्. Slowly he become a skilled archer. धीरे करके वो हर रोज प्रैक्टिस करने से क्या हुआ? वो एक अच्छा धनुर्धर बन गया। एकदा तस्मिन् वने गुरुद्रोण पांडवै कौरवै च सह आगच्छत्। Now what the things are going on? एकदा, once a day, तस्मिन् वने, in that forest, गुरुद्रोण द्रोणाचार्य came with पांडवै and कौरवै, पांडवों and कौरवों, with the Pandavas and Kauravas, cha saha agachat, they are coming inside. What is the translation of this sentence? Once Guru Drona come to that forest with Kauravas and Pandavas. This is a translation of this last sentence. Ekada tasmin vane Guru Drona Pandavai Kauravai cha saha agachat. Okay, now we will see what happened in next paragraph.